Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look of this unit, and how are we liking it? Well, let's get into all of the specs of this wig. So first of all, if you hear my daughter in the back, I do apologize. She's talking to her daddy on the phone. But anyways, let's get into the specs of this unit. So this is a Amazon wig, okay? I know there is a lot of like controversy of people like getting Amazon wigs and then they think that it's trash. Honestly, this wig eats, okay? This wig eats down, okay? All right, so with this unit, this is a 13x4 lace wig and it is in 30 inches. This hair is also a body wave. I just wanted to straighten it to see how good it takes heat, and I believe I had it on at least 430 degrees. And that's pretty hot, and it took it very well. Pre-plucked, and it is a glueless lace wig. Now, with my units, I always like to customize it to my head. So I did go in a little bit more in the front area and just pre-plucked it to my natural hairline. As you can see, it kind of has like a little bit of a widow's peak, and I have a widow's peak, so I wanted to match my hairline. This wig also, I did bleach the knots, and y'all, it took it so beautifully. Like, it didn't take long. You know how when you're trying lace, it's kind of like harsh. The knots bleached perfectly to me, okay? And I only did it for about, I think, 20 minutes. It wasn't too long. But it does come with baby hairs, and it is 180% density. When I tell y'all, this wig is thick. Like, it is so full on the ends. Seeing it straight doesn't really do it justice, but in its body wave natural state, it is perfect. And this wig is under $100. For 30 inches and it's under $100, I think that's a steal. The only thing I would say is I have a big head. I have a really big head. And I feel like with this unit, it didn't really fit my head how I wanted it to. The hair, like the wig stops like right here, like above my ear, instead of like, you know how it's supposed to stop like right here at least. But other than that, it's a really good wig. It's a really good unit, and it doesn't tangle, it doesn't shed, none of that. It is perfect. This is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below and let me know how you like this wig. If you love it, hate it, let me know your opinions down below. I'm also going to be putting down in my description box a link to this unit as well if you guys would like to purchase it. Yeah, stay tuned for my next video, because in my next video I'm going to be styling this wig in like a cute little hairstyle. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up as well. And if you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.